Alright guys, you are welcome to our wire and jam class. Now look at this question. Said three resistance 6 ohm each are connected in such a way that the total resistance is 4 ohms. How are they connected? How are they connected? And these are the options given. Now, if you check this option here, they all connected in series. You know that if you connect resistor in series, then you add all of them together. That means that they are 6 ohm each. That will be 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equals to 18. You see that 18 ohms. You see that this thing is not equals to 4 ohms. Then this one is not correct. This one, that's option A, is not correct. Now, check option B. If you check option B, then all parallel. No, resistance in parallel. For resistance in parallel, 1 over R equals to, this is the formula for resistance in parallel, 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 till the number of R that you have. That's 1 over Rn. Now we have 3 6 ohm resistance. That would be 1 over R equals to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Now here the LCM here is 6. The LCM here, the LCM of this denominator is 6. Then 1 over R equals to, if you do this thing out, that's 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you divide through by the LCM over 6, then this will be equals to that's 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. 3 over 6. Then we now see 1 over R equals to 3 over 6. And if you cross multiply like this, then we have that 3R equals to 6. Then what will be your R? Your R equals to what? R equals to 6 over 3, which is equals to 2 ohms. Is it equals to 4? No. Then this one is also wrong. This one is wrong. This one is also wrong. No, they are not connected. They are not all connected in parallel. At the same time, they are not all connected in series. Now look at the third option. If you see the third option, say 2 parallel and 1 series. 2 parallel and 1 series. For instance, I just wrote the formula now. That's 1 over R. First, for these 2 in parallel, it is equals to. And then for resistance in parallel, if you don't want to use that formula that I gave you in the first place now, you can just any 2 resistance in parallel. If you multiply the 2 together, you now divide it with the sum of the 2. This is what I mean. Say 2 in parallel, and then you know that each of them are 6. 2 in parallel. That means the first 2 that are in parallel, if you want to get their equivalent, if you want to use that formula, you can use 6 times 6. Now you multiply them together and you divide them by their sum. That's 6 plus 6. You get it now? And 6 times 6 is what? If it goes to that, 6 times 6 is what? That's 36. Over 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Then 1 over R equals to what? That's 36 over, so that's R equals to 36 over 12. Now instead of 1 over R, because you are not using that formula, you just use R. R equals to 36 over 12, equals to what? 3 ohms. That's for the first 2 in series here, and in parallel here. And then the is and 1 series. That means after you resolve these 2 that are in parallel now, they will now be in the resultant of here, which is 3 here now, will now be in series with this last one. And then you know that resistance in series. That means this the last one, this 3 ohms now, will now be in series with the last 6 ohm resistance, which is the third resistance. Now, how do you now get that? Resistance in series is what? That will be 3 ohms plus 6 ohms. What should now be the resistance now? That will be 9 ohms. Is it equals to 4 ohms? No. No, this one is not also correct. This one now, if you connect, say 2 series and 1 parallel, which is option D. No, so how you know this one is not correct? This one is not correct. This one is not. You know that automatically this one will be the correct answer. Now, but let me also prove it. 2 series, that will be for these 2 that are in series. And all of them are 6 ohms. So R For the first two that are in series, that will be 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12 ohms. And the equivalent of these two that are in series is now connected in parallel with the last resistance. The last resistance is what? Is 6 ohm. We know that all of them are 6 ohm each. Now the total resistance in parallel. No, I told you that you can just read like this. That's this 12 ohms now is now in parallel with the last 6 ohm resistance, and I told you that you can their product divided by their sum to get their equivalent. That will be 12 plus 6. What you now get, that will be equals to R equals to 72 over 18. What you now get, R equals to 4. That's 4 ohms. So this is the correct answer. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to also follow us maybe for more videos like this. Thank you.